Hey guys, this is Brian with Vapor Hunting Technologies. Today we're going to be dry blasting this pulley. I already masked off the half portion so we can go ahead and do a comparison. But if you take a great look into this part right here, we're actually going to be removing all of this rust right here. And we're also going to be removing this paint with dry blasting, especially on this VH2000 dry blasting. This is meant to be operated on an industrial level with internal dimensions of 40 by 40 by 40, which is going to be fitting majority of your application. And this unit is meant to be run 7 days throughout the week. But let's go ahead and get into some testing and check out the results. Just got done testing this pulley right here with our VH2000 dry blast, and I mean, all I can say is wow, especially from a time standpoint. I mean, this literally stripped off all of that oat painting, also the rust, and preparing it for its next coating. But also this process took literally less than 30 seconds, which is something that still blows me away till this day. And whenever you guys are considering one of these units, we have a team that's available 24/7 to assist you around the clock at 828-202-5563.